Jenna, focus. Here's a little more important. That's it, Abby. Good job, Abby. Girls, that's too easy for them to get the ball. Hey, don't give her the sideline. Let it go out. Go, make it run. Up this way. Get up this way. Give it to her. Back. All right, okay, I like this. Back across. Body, Lily, body. Come on, Lo. There you go. Come on, Kenny. It shows. Whose ball is it? Go, get up there, White. Way back where Abby is. Okay, he just started. Separate from that defense. Separate. Go. Come on, Zoe. Way to stick with that, Zoe. Ain't no way. Hey, get a wall. Give me 3 in a wall. Who doesn't want a wall? All right. Hey, box out. Box out.
Mia, you're gonna swear. You're going in prison. Sophia in the middle. Okay, you take Sophia's position.
Get up there. Get up there. Get up there.
Stick with it. Stick with it. Take it.
Oh my God, girls, the ball's sitting there. Go get it. Oh, Jared, get here. Ah. Go, get away. Don't give her the sideline. Do not give her the sideline. There you go. White throw. Sub. Zoe. Sophia, in the middle. Good job, Zoe.
Look me up. One on, Mia, one on.
Cover, Mia. Cover. Cover, Mia. Get 23, Mia. Good plan. Body. So you got time. You got time. Down the sideline, this way. Go. Cammy, touch it. Go, Cammy. Go. So, for you ready? Go.
That was, we couldn't have asked for a better person.
Hey, good talking, Nora. Go to Gabriella. Get it out, Nora. Kick it out. Kick it out.
Nice, Nora.
Still in.
Gabby.
Sophia, check. Control. Sub.
All right, let's go. All right, Gabby. Good. Come on.
I'm down.
Good job, Gabby.
You got Cammy.
Heads up. Nice block, Zoe.
Zoe, come on. You're going to take him.
Spread out, girls.
Nice ball.
Strike it. Sub. Cammy, come on. Sophie, go to the middle. Go, Soph. Cut it off, Abby.
No, I saw it. Yeah, Daddy. Okay.
I meant to have a dance word.
Just run straight. When you run straight, don't catch, just run straight. Don't hesitate.
Keep running. Let's go, COBRAS. Stay on her. Run.
Well, we're keeping this team in the game, ladies. Okay, we're keeping them in the game. As long as they're in the game, the more confidence they get.
Nice ball.
Hey, good idea, Lily.
Good pass, Soph.
Hey, let's get this ball, White. Get this ball.
Your side, your side.
Come on. You can beat number 11 all day.
One.
Yeah. Hey, I like that, Phil. You did it? I like that.
Stay with her, Nora.
Yeah, you got outside. Yeah, right back.
Outside, outside.
Todd.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Lily. We're gonna get that 22.
Yeah. Joey, go to the middle.
Hey, keep kicking, Lil. Keep shooting.
Hey, 3 minutes is waiting for Mia. Okay? Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
Live in a few minutes.
Hey, get this ball, White. Get this ball.
In
Get this
front.
ball.
First two. First two.
That's yours. That's yours.
There you
There you go, Joey. Hit Mia.
Good touches. Good touches.
Yes. Get there. Get there. All right. Go back. Nice.
Yeah. Good job, Lil.
If you're out there with her, just take her wide. Use your speed. Be ready here at 23. Yes. Ball's coming to you. Be ready, 2-3. Come on, win this ball. Win this ball, Mia.
Step up, COBRAS. Come on. Yeah, Lena. Come on, Genevieve. All right. Someone stop, but then I
Sophia, you ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
One right behind you.
Mia. Okay?
options.
Sub, Mia.
Abby, COBRAS.
Addison 20. Next was again for Lily.
Body. There you go.
Oh, good. Oh.
Hey, you got Sophie. Go to the net. Where's Zoe? Oh, nice try. Also, don't let it. Handball.
Right in front of you. Other way around.
Turn around.
You
got Nora.
Go.
Get your head up.
Good job, Lily.
Lily.
Softer, Lil, softer.
Sub.
Lily. Good work, Lily.
Good job, Lily.
Good play, Lily.
Catch your breath, Lily. 5 minutes. Catch your breath.
Some good kicks out there, Lil.
Good, Addie.
Get up there, Addison.
Good, Addie.
Hey, good job, Addison.
Turn it. Gabriella, switch with Addison.
Wait for that cross, Eddie. Get me. All right. Middle more. Makes a lot of sense. Middle.
Hands off your head. Game's not over.
Perfect.
Addison, widen out.
Right in the box. It's Sophie.
Zoe.
Nice.
Nice.
Turn it.
Hit the ball.
No, she didn't mean to. Oh yeah, that was that one. She was mad that I had to try them.
No. Sit, Genevieve. Let's go. No, next one.
Go White, first to the ball.
Hey, box out.
Get rid of it.
Good play.
Wide Anderson. And you're playing out here. On your way.
Good idea, Lee. Abby, go, Ab.
Olivia.
Where are you?
One behind you.
Yeah. Stay with.
All right, good work. Turn.
Jenna, turn, Jenna.
Go Abby. Good.
Bounce. No, Genevieve.
Watch outside.
Jenna.
Yeah,
Go, sub. Go. Good work.
Mark it up. No hands on the hip.
Come on, be strong here. Be strong. Don't let her cross it. Hey, push to the middle. You're Zoe.
Go, Lily.
Get there, Lily.
Sophia, right here. That's yours, Sophia. Yes. Participate.
I'm having him on everything.
Yours, Nora. Okay, there you go. Cover it back, Abby. Abby, get up.
Come on.
Bounce.
How we go?
Come on, get on her.
Genevieve.
Nice job, Genevieve.
Good job. Good work. Sit 9.
Okay, who's got 23?
No.
Line game.
Listen,
Girl. Kane.
when you go in, you gotta work that middle. Yeah. Oh, good. Hit her now.
Okay.
There's no blood in my corner.
Not loose focus. The game is winning.
I've been getting part of your I don't don't think so.
Get in. Sub.
Good ball.
Zoe.
Ball.
Stop, Zoe. Good work. Nora, hold the fort, okay? Nothing behind you. Let's go. Hold the fort. Go.
Go.
Oh,
Fancy.
have one.
Better.
That's your Sophie control? Yes. Yes, Sophia.
Keep it up, Lily.
Go get one, Lil.
I'm gonna save them all for the weekend.
Gary.
Keep shooting, 22.
That's it, 2-2.
Hey, you only had like 6 chances.
It's a 2-2. Good work.
You're focusing on the wrong thing. You're never gonna happen.
Live. You're gone. Hit her now. Go, Sophie. Go. Bounce. Gone. Oh.
Exact same ball.
Are you kidding?
Sorry.
What just happened?
This,
I'm gonna switch right. You go outside and kick Deborah in the middle. All right, get people now. Jenna. Good job, Jenna. So good.
Oh, there she is. Wait, are we short a player now? There you go, Nora. Gotta run, girl.
Get a
Get
shot.
up there.
Good job, Nora. Hey, get to the goalie. Get to the goalie. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, like as in it.
Oh, good ball, Lena.
Nice ball, Lena.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that's hard.
Hey, composure, 7-8, composure.
Hey, Billy, get a little wider. A little wider.
Cross the net.
Yeah, right at that far post.
Lily, get to that post, Lily. Right to the post. Gabrielle, far post. Curl it in. Right to the goalie.
Nice ball.
Addison, come here. Sub. Gabrielle, let's go.
Actually, you're gonna get Mia and Nora inside. I mean, you're gonna get, yeah, you're gonna get me and Nora. Oh, good idea. It's alright, Lily. Good idea. Oh, Lily picked that up. Oh, shoot that, Lonnie. All right. Hey, still in. Watch this.
Harry.
Hey, good ball out there. Great freaking ball.
That was so pretty to watch. Jenna, go look for Alina. Let's go. Are you done?
Get wide.
Wow, great job.
Finish it, Nora.
Hey, cross. Watch that cross.
Cover Genevieve.
Mia, recover, Mia. Good job. Wide, Lily. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ball, Zoe.
Lily, take it, Lily. Lily, take it. Hey, that looked inside the box.
Let's go, Lily!
Get your 10. Get your 10, Lily.
That's actually yellow.
Crash it!
Oh! Hey. Sub, Alina, let's go. Nora, inside. Good job, girls. Lena, good job. Got one too many. One too many.
Good work, yeah, good work.
Yeah, man.
Good now.
Hey, good work. Hey, we need your body okay. Good work.
Let's play, man. Get back up. Get back.
I was gonna say something, but then that happened. Yeah, it totally lost it. 4 minutes left.
Come on, go. Oh, yes, you do. Come on, Ted! Shot! Yes, Lila, get out! Come on, Zoe.
Right through it, Zoe, right through it.
Yeah, Zoe. Good job. Good job, Sophia. What was it? I think that was
26 was it?
no.
No, I don't know.
What do you have to time? Oh, you got an injury?
They're supposed to give injury time. That's the only extra time they're able to give us for injury.
Yes, good now. Good job, Sophia.
Might give a minute.
What they're saying is that we need
Daddy, Gary,
We're going up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Nora, go.
Someone pass to.